Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 12, chapter number 4, determinants, exercise 4.6, question number 13. Solve system of linear equations using matrix method. So here three questions are given. First one is 2x plus 3y plus z equals to 5, x minus 2y plus z equals to minus 4, and 3x minus y minus 2z equals to 3. So first of all, we have to convert in the matrix form. So here we can write 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, and here we can write x, y, z because three variables are present. So x, y, z is equals to constant terms are 5, minus 4 and 3. So we can write capital Ax equals to B, okay, where A is equals to 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2, x is equals to small x, y, z, and B is equals to constant terms means 5 minus 4, 3. Now we have to find the value of x, so we have to subject as A. So we can write A is equals to we can write x is equals to A inverse into B. So simply we have to find out A inverse and then we have to multiply with B. Okay, so now we have to find out A inverse. So for finding inverse of A, we have to find out first determinant of A. Okay, so determinant of A is given by 2 bracket 2 to the 4 plus 1 minus 3, 1 to the minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 6. So we can write 4 plus 1 5, so 5 to the 10. Here minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5, minus 5 minus 3 will be plus 15, and minus 1 plus 5 will be 5, 5 3 is 15. Okay, so final answer of determinant of A is 40, is non-zero. Therefore A inverse exists. The system has a unique solution because the value of determinant is non-zero. Now we find cofactors of matrix A. Now see, first of all we have to find out capital A11. Okay, so we have to remove first row and first column. So it gives minus minus plus 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 into minus 1 raised to 2 will be 1. So it will be 5. Capital A12 will be, so we have to remove here, over here, second row and second column and first row. So minus 2 ones are minus 2 minus 3, so it will be minus 5 into minus 1 because minus 1 raised to 3, so it will be plus 5. Next we have to find out A13. So for A13 we have to remove third column first row. So minus 1 raised to 4 into 1 ones are minus 1 plus 3 to the 6 will be 5 because 5 minus 1, 6 minus 1 5 into plus 1 will be 5. Next capital A21. So we have to remove second row first column. So 3 to the minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3 into minus 1 will be plus 3. Next A22, capital A22. So we have to remove second row second column. So 2 to the minus 4 minus 9 will be minus 13, and minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1, so it will be minus 13. Next A23. So we have to remove second row and third column. So 2 ones are minus 2 and minus 3 threes are 9, so it will be minus 11 into minus 1 because minus 1 raised to 5 will be minus 1, so it will be plus 11. Okay, next we have to find out capital A 31, 32 and 33. So now see, capital A 31. So it will be 3 ones are 3 plus 3 twos are 6 will be 9, and minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1, so it will be 9. Then A32. So we have to remove third row second column. So 2 ones are 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 into minus 1 because minus 1 raised to 5 will be minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. And last we have to find out capital A 3 3. So we have to remove third row, third column. So 2 2s are minus 4, minus 4 minus 3 will be minus 7, and minus 1 raised to 6 will be plus 1. So answer is minus 7. Now we have to put the value of cofactors in formula of adjoint of A, and then we have to put the value of adjoint of A and determinant of A in A inverse. So it gives adjoint of A is 5 3 9, 5 minus 13 1, 5 11 minus 9. Therefore A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A is equals to 1 by 40 into 5 3 9, 5 minus 13 1, 5 11 minus 7. Now Ax equal to B, already we have to write down. Okay, now we have to take A inverse on both these sides. So A inverse into Ax is equals to A inverse B. So in left hand side A inverse A will be identity matrix. Okay, so no need to write. It gives X is equals to A inverse B. Now simply we have to put the value of A inverse and put the value of B. Okay, so the value of B is 5 minus 4 3, and then simply we have to take multiplication. Okay, so now see, so 5 5s are 25, 3 4s are minus 12, and 9 3s are 27. Same thing we have to multiply second row, second column, sorry first column. 5 5s are 25, 13 4s are 54, and 3 1s are 3. And last third row, first column, 5 5s are 25, 11 4s are minus 44, and 7 3s are minus 21. So it will be 40, 80 and minus 40. Now we have to divide by 40 to all elements. Okay, so it gives 40 by 40 will be 1, 80 by 40 2, and minus 40 by 40 minus 1. On comparing the corresponding elements, we get x equals to 1, y is equals to 2, and z is equals to minus 1. Is it clear? Thank you.